Welcome to another Wednesday with Wayne. Today we are going to demonstrate the benefits and simplicity of installing the Wayne PolicyPlus icon onto your cell phone home screen. You may be wondering what PolicyPlus is. Well, PolicyPlus allows Wayne Insurance Group policyholders to quickly access their auto ID cards, view their policy declaration pages, pay their bill, or submit a claim. PolicyPlus is not an app that you need to download, but by following these simple steps, you can install the PolicyPlus icon directly onto your home screen for fast access to your important policy information. To get started, visit www.wayneinsgroup.com. From here, you will want to select Client Login. Then you will be prompted to select this up arrow button at the bottom of your screen. From here, scroll down and find the Add to Home Screen button. Then hit the Add button. And that's it. Now you have the PolicyPlus icon on your home screen. For Android users, after selecting the Client Login button, you will need to hit the three dots up in the right-hand corner. Then select Install App, and then install once again, and that's it.